Hi there, welcome to Campfire Fox Reviews, where I review stuff and let you know what I think about it. Enjoy! Also, this is just a review from my own personal experiences. This isn't sponsored by tallmenshoes.com or Calto in any way. I just wanted to throw out my opinions, that's all. Okay, so today we're going to be unboxing some shoes from tallmenshoes.com. I'm not really very good at unboxing things, as you can see, so I kind of cut some things here and there, and, well, with a knife, and it failed spectacularly. So, it's a pretty good website, actually. I recommend it. They always have good sales and good discounts, and they're well worth checking out, so I recommend them. The packaging was really sturdy and really good. As you can see, I had a lot of trouble getting into it. Of course, that again, and I was never good about opening Christmas gifts because I never got a ton of them, so that could be one of the reasons. Anyways, we're reviewing the Calto H2244 yellow canvas. As you can see, it comes with a rewards program card. It's pretty handy. They got great rewards there. And 30-day money-back guarantee and a 6-month return policy. So you don't dirty them up. A good catalog. I mean, they've got a lot of things there. Just about any shoe you could want for anything, really. And then it comes in these little baggies. I mean, I guess it's nice and all. They're kind of annoying, but I guess it keeps the shoes looking pretty. And then they, it's just really hard to open one of these one-handed like this. I tell you that. And then they stuff them with these with these little I don't know, these tissue paper things are so damn hard to get out. There you go. So anyways, I have a size 13 shoe, and well, actually I wear 14s, but these are 13s because they only go up to 13s, unfortunately, there. And these are meant to be 3.2 inches, give or take. So, and after you get the other shoe out of the baggie there, well, maybe not. Yeah, there you go. As you can see, they're not bad. They look a little different from pictured. Actually, they're better than pictured. They kind of surprised me how good they were. And also, they come with this little plastic shoehorn, which is always nice. It's a nice touch, If you need a shoehorn anyway, I just use my fingers, so. And it comes with those old silica gel things, and that's that. They fit pretty good. They're comfortable and roomy. They wear a little bit big. It's kind of hard to get used to wearing these kinds of things though, because the heels are kind of inside. They're kind of like slanted. So other than that though, they look pretty good and feel pretty good. All in all, they're just a little bit different to get used to wearing. You have to get some practice in trying to wear them each day, just a little by little. But it's doable. It's a little weird at first wearing these kinds of shoes, but in the end, they grow on you, and then it's just like second nature walking with them on. So, and here's where I try and show a comparison. This is me without my height shoes. Around 6'2". I don't really need them, but yeah. I'm sitting there sad-faced, and this is me with them on, and as you can see, they make a noticeable difference. So, pretty good. All in all, these were pretty good shoes. I've been wearing them around a couple weeks, and they've really helped a lot with my back pain. I've suffered a little bit of back pain over the years, and these shoes actually have helped with that quite a bit. They've improved my posture, increased my height by a couple inches, and just in general, they do improve your confidence out out in public and everything, and no one said a thing about me wearing them. I do have to say, though, it's a little less noticeable if you happen to wear jeans or something like that to cover them up. But, these here are great. They're my first pair of what they call elevator shoes, and I recommend them. Give them a try. These are the Calto brand from tallmenshoes.com. So, give them a shot. Let me know what you think. If you've had any, if you like them, you don't like them, let me know. I'm curious. Thanks for sitting around and humoring an old fox and his tales. If you'd like more, please hit like and subscribe. And remember, nothing is more frightening than a fear you cannot name.